Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your Apple ID is signed into Messages and that iMessage is enabled. This links your phone number and email. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular data is active because iMessage uses the internet, while SMS falls back to your carrier. Now open the Messages app and tap the Compose icon or pick an existing thread to start. This gets you immediately into message drafting without extra setup, so you can send text, photos, or tap Apps next. You compose by typing in the text field, then use the app drawer to attach a photo, send an emoji, or share money with Apple Pay. These make conversations richer. Once you record audio by holding the microphone, release to send or swipe up to lock record. For emphasis, long press the send button to choose bubble or screen effects like loud or invisible ink. Also, tap the contact name at the top to access call or FaceTime and to share your location when coordinated. You finish conversations by managing threads. Swipe to delete or archive and tap a bubble to react or copy. Make sure read receipts are set as you prefer and tweak notifications in settings messages so alerts match your needs. If an iMessage fails to deliver, first check iMessage toggle and network. Sign out and back into your Apple ID if needed. If that still fails, choose Send as SMS to use your carrier. This ensures messages get through while you troubleshoot iMessage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.